Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome to today's Practical Hakka.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭，
我是 Emily.
I don't know why they call it practical. Oh, 我是司徒华。I will not trip today. I shall not fail.
All right.
Boom, boom.
You will eat your words. But anyway, all month long, we are talking about public transportation. 我们这个月教的都是大众运输的客家用语。And today we're going to learn about taking the MRT. 我们要坐捷运。捷运怎么说？
捷运。
That is the MRT in Hakka. 那我要从南港坐捷运去淡水。I want to take the MRT from 南港 to 淡水。客家语怎么说？
我爱到南港。坐捷运去淡水。
坐捷运去淡水。
淡水
哦，淡水
不是淡水，
不一样啊。
对呀，
好啊。
All right, the whole sentence, and this is where you're gonna eat your words, man.
我爱到南港坐捷运去淡水。
我愛到南港坐捷運去淡水。
你真的很快啊。
Do I need to transfer to another line? Yes, right? 我需要换车吗？
我是揾茶的麼？
我是揾茶的麼？
我是揾茶麼？
All right. 你可以在台北车站換車。You can transfer to another line at the Taipei main station.
坐得到台北茶頭。揾茶坐得到台北茶頭揾茶。
哦，
坐得到台北茶頭揾茶。
台灣茶對嗎？
台灣是哪裡啊？
對，在這個裡，我再下一次。
坐得到 Go Ron.
坐得到
台北茶頭
揾茶，台北茶頭。揾茶
Yes, and finally 海陸腔車站怎麼說？
茶頭。
All right, and that about does it for today's Practical Hakka. Thanks to you, Ron.
什麼太假？
暗自 say
長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.